Solve an exponential equation by finding a common base. And here we have an equation, 27 to the power of x minus 6 equals 3 to the power of x plus 2. And for this problem, we're going to use a particular property of exponents. It's called the power of a power rule. And this is basically what it is. If you have a quantity, x to the power of a, and then we parenthesize this x to the power of a and raise that to the power of b, we're going to have x to the power of a times b. So that's going to be the rule we're going to feature here. And what we're going to look for here is a common base. And we have on the right side a base of 3. And on the left side, can we rewrite this 27 as a power of 3? Well, we should be able to understand that the 3 to the power of 3 is 27. So if we take 3 to the power of 3, and on the outside, we raise that to the power of x minus 6. So we're just bringing down the x minus 6, and then on the right side, we're going to keep 3 to the power of x plus 2. And so what we can do now is we can use this power of power rule and rewrite this left side of the equation as 3 times 3 to the power of quantity x minus 6. And that's going to be equal to the right side, which is 3 to the power of x plus 2. And I'm parenthesizing the exponents here just to make them clear. And now we can go ahead and use the distributive property here and multiply 3 by each of the terms inside the parentheses. So on the left side, we're going to have 3 to the power of 3 times x, which is 3x, and then we have 3 times negative 6, which could be negative 18 or minus 18. And on the right side, we have 3 to the power of x plus 2. And so now we're going to have another property that comes about. If we have an exponent to the power of a that's equal, a base, I said an exponent, a base to the power of b, we know that a is going to have to be equal to b. And so now, having the same base, we can set each of these exponents or exponential expressions equal to each other. So we're going to have 3x minus 18 is equal to x plus 2. And now we can solve for x. I'm going to go ahead and add. I'm going to keep the unknowns on the left side of the equation, so I have plus 18 on the left side, plus 18 on the right side. So we have, now on the left side, we have remaining 3x equals x and then 2 plus 18 is going to be plus 20. And now we're going to remove this x on the right side by subtracting it. So we have minus x minus x. So now on the left side we have 3x minus x, which is 2x. And on the right side we have x minus x, which cancels, and then we have 20. And the last step we have is dividing both sides of this equation by 2. And we have 2 over 2 cancel each other to equal 1. And now on the right side, we have x is equal to 10, which is our solution. And we can just kind of see what this is. It's going to be kind of hard to see. If you plug into the equation, you have 27 to the 10 minus 6 will be 27 to the 4th is going to be equal to 3 to the 12th. That's going to be hard to spot. So we're just going to take it as as a correct answer. Good luck with this and your other problems using your exponential properties, and thanks for viewing.